Welcome back, guys. We've so far learned how to connect, control, and group your units. Today, let's learn how to schedule your units. Let's start by clicking Schedule Control at the bottom. The first screen you'll see is what's currently uploaded into your group and therefore devices. It shows what the lights are doing throughout the whole day. But let's update that by clicking Create Schedule at the bottom. And then in the top left corner, let's start with the Dalua schedules and go through the list. You'll notice the words Advanced and Easy next to the different schedules, and also saltwater and freshwater. This video is based on the Easy schedules, and we'll get into the advanced schedules in a future video. You'll also notice at the bottom, Create My Own, and this is where you can start a schedule from scratch. So now let's click on Public Schedules, the second tab. This is a community-driven scheduling where we have Tank of the Month, Tank of the Year, and obviously our favorite brand ambassadors and content creators that are invited to upload their schedules. And this allows all users to download their favorite reefers' schedules into their units immediately. The third tab is the My Schedule at the top right-hand corner there, and these are your saved schedules, schedules you've edited and previously uploaded. The red text that says uploaded is obviously what is currently uploaded into your group and devices. So now let's start by clicking on that first group, and it will take you to the screen that you're used to, the instant control screen, but this time it's actually showing you the spectrum and the schedule throughout the whole day. You can choose your sunrise time on the left there, sunset in the middle, and then of course your ramp time to choose how long the units will take to hit their maximum throughout the day. You can now press the blue arrow on the right hand side of the screen, and this will take you to the master control where you can control master brightness. Now click Next in the top right corner, and now the final update and upload screen where you can press Quick Play and visually see the 24-hour schedule on your lights in real time. Obviously, geolocation we'll get into in a future video. And then finally, the Update and Upload button, which updates your schedule if you made any changes and uploads them to the group and therefore your units. The next video will be on editing preset schedules, so we'll see you soon.